It's a real quiet plane.
Yeah. Got quite a bit of wind for this, actually. It's whenever I get going downwind, it's a little hard to turn it around. It keeps wanting to push the tail around on it. Got a lot of surface area on the verticals. That was right in the sun. Sorry. See you in spots now. I'm going to bring it in nice and low for you. I catch an updraft going over this hill, this little ridge. Ski slope. The wind just pushes it up. I'm really fighting the wind right now. This prop is probably too fast for this much wind. I probably need to prop to something with more thrust. Bigger prop, but less pitch. I'm running a 9x7 on there right now, slow fly. No birds have come out to chase me yet. I'm surprised. I was in Wintermac yesterday and I had a bunch of seagulls attacking.
Oh, that was a good shot there.
Just like that? Is that easier to pull it around like that?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll try and do another one. A nice slow one.
Very nice.
See if I can do a touch and go without touching too hard.
Whoa!
That was a touch and go. Almost touched me. It's a little bouncy. The grass is a little rough. Another loop. Catching it okay, you think?
Yeah.
Well, those trees are a lot further than they look, I hope.
Shit, I lost it. There we go. Try to do a loop there.
See how it shot up in the air right as I got over that ridge? It catches the wind coming over that and it just lifts it right up. I'm going to bring one slow right in front of you.
Wow.
Yeah, I was barely keeping it in the air there. Coming on this side of the hill, the wind tends to push it down and it'll land it.
Nice, I got that one.
wind, and we're probably gusting, 5 mile an hour or so. It's not that windy, it's just the gusts are pushing it around a little bit, but it still sets down real easy. See the wind behind it left and right. There we go. I catch a lot of wind as soon as I get over that hill. I mean, a lot of updraft.
Oh yeah.
Another. Alright, that's enough on this battery. I'll bring it in.
Cool. Good landing.